It's a bridge.
Bridge. Right.
You ready to go over the bridge?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. You like bridges, don't you? Yeah. There's somebody else out here in the rain. Boom, boom, boom.
Hi.
Another one. Come here, baby. Is this the one?
This is it, but there's just too much water because of the rain. This is it.
Sure is.
No fish. No fish. No fish. No fish.
What a difference 24 hours can make.
Wow, yeah.
No fish.
I wonder how deep it really is. Like if it's to my knees or to my waist. Like I could walk her across over there.
Probably to her waist, but we're still playing in the water because it's raining.
As long as she's happy.
And she's saying to go this way. So.
This is a big bridge. Look, Lou. Look.
Look at the water.
Look at the water.
You see it? You hear it?
Look over there. Look. See over there? See the waterfall? That's a little baby waterfall. That's why the water got so deep today, because it rained. And all that rainwater is pouring down here into the creek. That's a good thing.
Some more.
You want to go see